Wrestling in the area has become more and more competitive, and the Ozark Tigers, who are ranked 4th in Class 4, have shown they're one of the best in the area. The Ozark Tigers have 9 wrestlers who are ranked in the state in their weight divisions, including one who is ranked 1st and one who is ranked 2nd. Coach Jackson, JJ Durrell, and Cody Lindsay are both ranked towards the top of their weight divisions. Can you tell me a little bit about them?
Well, I think the biggest thing about both of them is they're tenacious. If you've ever seen JJ wrestle, you know, he's not 4 feet tall and he just comes at you. He just stays in your face and he's fearless. Cody, on the other hand, as a sophomore, he's a tailback on the football team, and he's just a super athlete. He's just a good wrestler. You know, they're just both fun to watch.
You guys are usually one of the top teams in the area every year. What is the off-season routine like for the wrestlers?
We try to have the room open a couple nights a week. We go to some off-season tournaments like the Brute Nationals and the Corn Cob Nationals, and we give them, you know, activities to take part in. We don't put pressure on them to wrestle year-round, but they understand that to be competitive, they pretty much have to be on the mat doing something year-round.
Thanks for watching KRBK Sports Bio, and if you would like to check out more sports bios, visit me on Facebook or go to the KRBK website to view the whole KRBK Street team.